Get him. Look, Mama. Zach, look. Look, Zach.
That's oh my gosh, Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
That's a good size one. Zoe, that's a keeper. Oh, that's awesome. Really, Mom? Really, Zoe?
I can! He's the fight! Daddy, help me!
Yes, baby. Why are you running?
Tubby's like,
He's going in the box. He is going in the box.
Come on, Daddy!
I'm going to hook you another one, baby.
Oh my gosh, this game is...
That is so
Daddy!
Zach, remember we're behind you, please.
No, Eunice!
You call.
Daddy, can I throw it out?
No, it's too hard
Mom,
to
one
catch.
time at the Porto del Sol, I threw it out.
How about that?
There's a big old skeleton. Daddy? How about that?
Hey, y'all help me look for him. Popping the water.
What, Zach?
Dad, I see him popping right over there by that